So guys, visa bulletin for September 2025. So already published dito sa website. So tulad nga ng pinag-usapan natin from previous vlog. So wala nga tayong maasahan. Ito yung last month for fiscal year 2025. So yun nga, yung final action date ay wala siyang movement. So lahat dito sa EB3 third preference category from rest of the world, China, Mexico, India, and Philippines ay wala siyang movement. So from last month, August 2025 to September 2025 is all the same final action date for EB3 third preference category. So bali ito na nga yung final action date for employment-based preference. So ito yung September 2025, ito yung recently published ngayon. So for the rest of the world, yung final action date niya, April 1, 2023. China, December 1, 2020. India, May 22, 2013. Mexico, April 1, 2023. At saka yung Philippines, February 8, 2023. So tulad nga nung last month, ito yung August 2025, ito yung September. So almost the same cut-off lang yan dito sa EB3 third preference. So kung sa mga viewers natin, pagdating naman dun sa other workers, same cut-off date lang din yan. So walang nagbago or walang nag-move forward sa final action date dito sa other workers preference. Yun nga lang, hindi tayo nakahabol dito sa dalawang bansa na almost lagi nating katandem dun sa final action date. So lamang pa rin yung rest of the world at saka yung Mexico, which is April 1, 2023, while yung Philippines nga medyo behind na tayo dun sa kanila, which is February 8, 2023. So bali ito na nga yung pinaka-employment based monitoring natin for fiscal year 2025. So for Philippines lang to guys, so ito yung complete 12 months from October to September 2025. So kung titingnan nga natin yung first 3 months, from October to December 2024, yung final action date nito is November 15, 2022. So from October to December, nag-stay lang siya dun sa final action date na yon. Then January, February, March, yung final action date niya is December 1, 2022. So yun, most likely 3 months tapos at saka siya nag-move. Then pagdating ng April at saka May, nag-move na naman siya to January 1, 2023. Then for June 2025, nag-move na naman siya ng February 8, 2023. At saka ito na nga yung last, September 2025. Yun pa rin yung final action date niya, February 8, 2023. So talagang parang napakasaklap nitong movement nitong fiscal year 2025. Halos dikit-dikit lang siya, which is yun na nga yung total movement niya. 84 days lang yung minove niya for fiscal year 2025. So in total nga, equivalent lang siya ng 2 months at saka 24 days. So talagang napakababa talaga nitong minove nitong fiscal year 2025 na to. So ito na yung aabangan natin for next month, October 2025, that is for first month of fiscal year 2026. Sana naman makabawi na tayo dito sa parating na October 2025 visa bulletin. Yung final action date na sana'y at least mag-move na ito talaga kasi nga napakababa ang binigay dito sa Philippines for fiscal year 2025. So may dagdag na rin natin, ito naman yung final action date for family sponsored preference. So yun lang yung update natin ngayon guys. So wala tayong magagawa. Yan talaga yung final action date movement dito sa fiscal year 2025. But anyway, fiscal year 2025 it's already finished. So we will just wait for another month. So that's for first month for fiscal year 2026. So alam naman natin panibagong visa issuance na naman itong parating na fiscal year. So sana naman maganda na yung movement nito bago man lang mag-approach yung December 2025. So syempre guys, tabayanan lang natin yung monthly update natin. Huwag tayo mawalan ng pag-asa, tuloy lang yung laban, basta importante, meron kang priority date at saka document qualified ka na. So maraming salamat sa inyong panonood dito sa aking channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Hit the button below para updated ka for the next video. So see you next time guys. Bye-bye.